Have you ever thought about how your daily coffee ritual could be more than just a pick-me-up? What if I told you that your love for that morning brew could actually turn into a profitable side hustle? In today's fast-paced world, where traditional income streams can feel a bit shaky, finding creative ways to make money is more important than ever. Imagine this. Every time you sip your favorite latte, you're not just enjoying a moment of bliss. You're also nurturing an idea that could fill your wallet. From starting a coffee blog where you share reviews and brewing tips, to launching an online store selling unique coffee blends, the possibilities are endless. You could even explore affiliate marketing by partnering with coffee brands you love, earning a commission for every sale made through your recommendations. In this video, we'll dive into how you can transform your coffee habit into a thriving side hustle. Whether you're a casual drinker or a self-proclaimed coffee connoisseur, there's a niche waiting for you. So grab your favorite cup, sit back, and let's explore how to brew up some extra cash in your life. Identifying your coffee habit. Recognizing and analyzing your coffee consumption patterns. To turn your coffee habit into a profitable side hustle, the first step is to truly understand your coffee consumption patterns. Start by tracking your coffee spending and habits for a week. Jot down how many cups you drink, where you buy them, and how much you spend. This simple exercise can reveal surprising insights about your daily routine and help you identify potential areas for monetization. Next, take a moment to reflect on your favorite coffee types and brands. Are you a fan of rich, dark roasts? Or do you prefer light, fruity blends? Maybe you love experimenting with artisanal coffee from local roasters. By pinpointing your preferences, you can explore ways to share your passion with others. Consider starting a blog or social media account dedicated to your favorite brews, where you can review products and share brewing techniques. Understanding your personal coffee preferences is crucial for developing future strategies. Not only does it help you create authentic content, but it also allows you to connect with like-minded coffee enthusiasts. So grab a notebook and start tracking your coffee journey. You might just discover a goldmine of ideas waiting to be brewed into a successful side hustle. Exploring monetization options, turning your coffee habits into income streams. Now that you've identified your coffee habits, let's dive into some exciting ways to turn that passion into income. One of the most popular options is starting a coffee blog or YouTube channel. Share your experiences, favorite brews, and brewing techniques with an audience eager to learn. By creating engaging content, you can build a community of coffee lovers while potentially earning through ad revenue and sponsorships. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. Many coffee brands and products offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. By reviewing and recommending your favorite coffee products, you can monetize your passion while helping others discover great options. Just think about it. Every time someone buys that espresso machine you love, you earn a little something in return. If you're feeling particularly entrepreneurial, consider creating and selling your own homemade coffee blends or merchandise. Whether it's a unique blend of beans or branded mugs and apparel, there's a market for personalized coffee products. Platforms like Etsy or your own website can serve as great outlets for your creations. So, get creative and explore these monetization options. Your coffee habit could be the key to unlocking a new income stream. Building your brand, establishing a personal brand around your coffee passion. Now that you're ready to monetize your coffee habits, it's time to build a personal brand that resonates with your audience. Start by creating a unique name and logo that reflects your coffee journey. Think about what makes your coffee experience special. Whether it's your love for artisanal blends or your quest for the perfect brew, a catchy name and a visually appealing logo can set the tone for your brand and make it memorable. Next, harness the power of social media to attract an audience. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are perfect for showcasing your coffee adventures. Share stunning photos of your favorite brews, engaging videos of your brewing process, and even tips for fellow coffee enthusiasts. By actively engaging with your followers, you'll create a community that shares your passion and supports your brand. Consistency is key in content creation. Regularly posting valuable and relatable content helps build trust and keeps your audience engaged. Whether you choose to share daily coffee tips, weekly reviews, or monthly brewing challenges, maintaining a consistent schedule will keep your followers coming back for more. So get out there, craft your brand, and let your coffee passion shine. Your unique voice could inspire others and turn your hobby into a thriving venture. Marketing strategies. Promoting your coffee-related ventures. Once you've established your coffee brand, it's time to get the word out. Effective marketing strategies are essential for reaching potential customers and growing your venture. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to showcase your coffee creations, share engaging content, and connect with a vast audience. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to draw in coffee lovers and keep them coming back for more. Collaborations can also amplify your reach. Partnering with other coffee enthusiasts or influencers can introduce your brand to their followers, creating a win-win situation. Consider hosting joint events, co-creating content, or even doing product swaps. These collaborations can enhance your credibility and expand your audience base, making your coffee venture more visible. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal community. One effective way to do this is through giveaways and contests. Encourage your followers to participate by sharing your posts, tagging friends, or creating their own coffee-related content. Not only does this generate excitement around your brand, but it also fosters a sense of community and connection. So, get creative with your marketing strategies and watch your coffee venture thrive as you engage and inspire fellow coffee lovers. Tracking progress and earnings. Monitoring income and growth from your coffee side hustle. As you embark on your coffee side hustle, tracking your progress and earnings is essential for long-term success. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether you aim to earn a specific amount each month or grow your audience to a certain number, having defined targets will keep you motivated and focused. Make it a habit to track your earnings monthly so you can see how your efforts translate into income. To help manage your finances and analyze performance, consider using tools and apps designed for small business owners. Platforms like QuickBooks or Mint can simplify tracking your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. Additionally, social media analytics tools can provide insights into your audience engagement and growth, helping you understand what content resonates most with your followers. Remember, the key to success is adaptability. Regularly review your performance and be willing to adjust your strategies based on what works best. If a particular type of content drives more engagement or sales, lean into that. By staying flexible and responsive to your audience's preferences, you'll not only enhance your coffee venture, but also ensure it continues to grow and thrive. So, keep an eye on your progress, celebrate your wins, and adjust your approach as needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.